Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am in my car and I have this traffic recorder dash cam thing, so we're gonna give this thing a try. It looks like it records front and back, so you can record yourself as well. So it'd be good for if you're driving for like Uber or Lyft or something. But let's see what this looks like. So here is the camera. That's nice, it's got a nice big screen on it with the peel of that. Oops, now I got it stuck to me. Can't get it off. Okay, so it's got this lens has a cover on it too. Holy mackerel. Can I get it off? There we go. I don't know if you can see, it's got the little plastic on it, but it was really difficult to get off. Okay, so there's that. Does this one have one? No. Okay, so it looks like you'll have a camera facing away and one facing towards you. So this will be the one wide angle lens getting out the front, and then this will be the one kind of facing back. So let's see what the wiring is. Ooh, lots of wires. Okay, and it also comes with a camera to hook onto your, onto like your, what's it called, in the back of the car, the license plate. So you can hook one on back there too, facing backwards. And we have a cigarette plug, power. And then we have the mounting. It looks like a suction cup. Is it a sticky suction cup or just a suction cup? Just a suction cup, but it has a cover, a plastic cover on it. So, okay, and then it's got a place for an SD card on the side here. It does not look like there's one in it to start with, so I have to bring one of those out. But here we go. So if we would connect this up. Sorry, I am trying to. There we go. So, do I have it facing? I would probably want it like that. Yeah, on the dash it would look like that. So this is kind of how it will stick up, but let's plug it in here. I won't stick it up now so you guys can see what I'm doing without it being on the mirror. Otherwise, y'all wouldn't see it'd be facing the wrong way. Oh, it does come with a little SD card. So that is it right there. Let's see, it comes with a 64 gig one by TOPGOOSE. So let's plug that in to the section where it goes. There we go. Oh, tink. There we go. I heard the little click. And now we have this wire. This comes with a pretty good long wire, so you can route it from your wherever it is all the way out around the dashboard up to the top and everywhere you need to go. Oh, one sec. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Somebody came in the garage. Okay, so here we are. I've got too much stuff in my center console. Okay, so we got the long wire and we will plug it in. It looks like it's a USB-C connection. And it's gonna go in the top. And here we go. Let's see what happens when it turns on. There we go, TOPGOOSE. That's pretty cool that they had a branded SD card. So, kind of cool. So here we are, TOPGOOSE. And look at that, there's me. And then there's you. Very cool. Look at that. And it's a wide angle. Let's see. It's a pretty good picture. Really good looking guy, but yeah, good picture in there for sure. Wow, that is clear even when I'm looking at it here, and then I can see myself in there as well. And it looks like, okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I can't read backwards, but it's got the different buttons here to do the settings for the display and stuff. Like this is gonna display it somewhat differently. You got the picture-in-picture, the rear camera, the front camera, or both. We have the SD card it shows in there. Right now it's filming at 1080p. Oh, this is to, I guess, turn it on to just do an instant record. Something like that. But I'll look at some of these instructions here. Let me just look at it real quick and see if there's anything that I should tell you about. I don't have the rear camera plugged into it, but I'm gonna assume that would go into this little like headphone looking jack right there. That's where the other camera would go, so then you would have 3 cameras going on this thing. That's kind of cool. And what's good also is when you're filming, when you're this way here, so the inside camera, it's funny because I'm the outside camera, the inside camera, but you can aim it, you know, up and down. So once you get it on your window, even if it's not aimed perfectly, you can still aim to yourself, which is really nice little feature that they have that. Let's see what we got here. It looks like we can have it set to start the car, start it immediately. We can do motion detection, sound to record, timestamp. We can have different car numbers on there. We can set a car number for this one. So you have different people have different ones. We have parking monitors. It's got all the automatic shutdown and off when you turn on the car and turn off the car. Lots of different shooting methods, I guess, whether it's gonna do a 5-second timer, 10-second timer, whatever. And then you have all your regular settings like ISO and stuff like that if you really want to start messing with it, which, I mean, I'm even doing YouTube videos and I don't even know how to change all that stuff. But it looks like it'll work in good, you know, high temperatures, low temperatures, and everything else. So I'm gonna say it's a really nice looking camera, and it looks like it has a Wi-Fi product, so no download required for non-Wi-Fi. So if you want to connect it to Wi-Fi even, I guess you have that little QR code there that will give you that ability. So I'm gonna say really cool, really nice. So thumbs up from me on this TOPGOOSE camera, and I'm gonna put it up there, but not gonna do it while we're filming because you won't see it. But it looks like it's gonna go and take up very little space too, because it's nice and small. So awesome, thumbs up.